Hi everybody, welcome to another tutorial or part 3 on how to create a beat from scratch using TAL-U-No-LX. So before I start, I have 2 codes to give away for ArpBud2. So if you are interested and if you are a subscriber, please follow the instructions in the description of the video and also contained in the first comment or the comment section. So let's remind ourselves what we did in part 2. So we have created a chord progression using ChordBud2. We have also created a bass line using ArpBud2, and we have used 2 instances of TAL-U-No-LX. So in this video we are going to create an ARP type of melody using ArpBud2 again, and we're going also to introduce some drums as well. So let's start and listen to what we have created so far. Okay, perfect. So let's add another audio channel and let's search for TAL-U-No-LX. Here we are, and let's also open it. And let's select a patch which a preset that I have in mind from the Crazy Synthwave category under keys, and let's choose these dreamy keys. I also lower a little bit the volume because otherwise I will create some peaks. Let's introduce another MIDI processor which will be from ArpBud. Here we are. Let's ensure that this is driven by the chord progression created using ChordBud2, and also let's make the connection to the new TAL-U-No-LX instance. Okay, so this is what it sounds so far. So as you can hear, ArpBud2 is repeating the first interval of each chord, so the first note, and is driving TAL-U-No-LX for the dreamy keys preset. So let's make it a little bit more interesting. So remember the first note, for example, on the first chord, which is a D minor, will be a D. So on the second step, let's use the third interval, which will be an A, and on the third step, let's use the second one, which will be an F. And let's invert that on the last 2 steps, so 2 and 3. So let's play and let's see what it sounds like. That sounds really nice already. So let me adjust a few things. I want to have a second chorus. Let's play again, perhaps adjust the volume again. Okay, that sounds really nice. So now let's add some drums, and there are different ways that you can achieve that. So for this tutorial I'm going to use 2 audio channels. On the first one I'm going to search for Rozeta and I'm going to select the rhythm one. Then on the second audio instance I'm going to search for Ruismaker. I connect the 2. Like so. Now let's select also an interesting preset. Let's go to classic and let's choose vintage kit. Let's decrease the volume because I'm sure it will be too high, around 80. It will do. Let's go to the rhythm up and let's create a rhythm. So we have the bass drum selected, so let's choose 2 bits like so. Let's go to the snare, 1 bit but shifted by 4. Sorry, shifted by 8. So it plays right on the second beat of the bass drum. And then let's introduce some open hi-hat, 4 bit like so, and also for the close hi-hats, 4 bit again but shifted by 2. So let's play. Now I like to adjust a little bit few further settings. So let's go inside the Ruismaker. Let's select the bass drum and let's increase the volume. That sounds nice. Remember, you can also create variation using octaves, not only intervals. So if you go back to ArpBud2, you might decide to keep that line by decide to use that line of intervals 1 octave above. So in that case, click and hold on the pattern, select copy, go add the second pattern. On the second pattern, click and hold, select paste. We have pasted the pattern 1 into pattern 2. And now on pattern 2, let's go to octave and let's select 1 octave up, like so. It will say +1 in every steps. So let's play. And of course you can switch the pattern manually or using CC, in this case CC10. So let's try. That sounds really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to stop here for this time and for part 3 and see you next time. Bye.